If you have a recovery email that you had added to your Gmail account but you no longer use it, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your recovery email on Gmail. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, first go ahead and log into your Gmail account, and from here go ahead and click on your profile icon on top. Then go to manage your Google account. You will be redirected to this page. Look for personal info option on this side menu, and I'll click on it, and here you'll see your details. Now if you go under email, you can see I have here my email, and under it we have a recovery email. To change the recovery email, go ahead and click on email and go to recovery email section. You can see it is here. So here you can either add a recovery email or even change your recovery email. So to change, go ahead and click on your recovery email here. Then you'll need to go ahead and enter your password for your current email. So I'll enter mine, then click on next, and here we go. Now I've been taken to a page where I can now change my recovery email. Now to change this recovery email, I'll go ahead and click on this pencil icon next to it here. And by clicking on this, now I can change this. So I'll go ahead and edit this and add a new one like that, and then click on save. And here we go. A 6-digit code will be sent to the email that I've just chosen. I need to go ahead and enter it. So I'll go ahead and fetch the code. So I'll go to that account, and here is the code. I'll go ahead and copy it, then head back here and paste it here, and finally verify. And as you can see, recovery email verified. So I have now my new recovery email added, and now you can see here under my emails, my recovery email has been updated successfully. So that's how you can change your recovery email on Gmail account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.